Hi guys! In this video I'll show you how to create this kind of a shadow text effect in Photoshop. First, let's type the text we need. I will take the word design. We are going to type the text letter by letter. First, type the last letter of the word and then duplicate that letter to the number of letters in the word. Let me do it by duplicating each letter and typing it. Then place the letters in order. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. After it's done, add a mask for each and every letter. Then choose Gradient tool and take the black and white gradient. Click on the right corner of the letter and drag it to the left. Repeat this for each and every letter. After this process is done, next, let's place the text. Next, place the letter on top of each other to get the expected result. Take your own time and place it. Let me erase some of the parts of the letters. Next, make a group by selecting all the letters and duplicate the group. Then transform it by clicking Ctrl and T and right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Drag the duplicated text down to add a reflection. Then, place it properly and decrease its opacity. Add a mask for this layer and choose the gradient color. Click on the bottom and drag it to the top of the text. You will get the perfect reflection for the text. Okay guys, now our text effect is done perfectly. Okay guys, hope you understood the process of making this shadow text effect. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and join the family. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.